In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open OneNote using the Run command. This is a quick and efficient way to launch Microsoft OneNote without having to search through your Start menu or desktop shortcuts, saving you valuable time in your workflow. To start, make sure your computer is on and ready. Press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard simultaneously. This will open the Run dialog box, which allows you to execute programs and commands directly. Once the Run dialog box is open, you'll see a small text field where you can type commands. In this field, type the word OneNote and then press Enter on your keyboard. In just a few seconds, Microsoft OneNote will launch and open to the default notebook or last page you were working on. This method works smoothly for most standard installations of OneNote. If you happen to be using a specific version of OneNote, or the app isn't opening as expected, you can also type OneNote.exe in the Run dialog instead. This explicitly calls the executable file for OneNote, which can help ensure the correct version of the app opens. Either way, using the Run command bypasses the need to manually search for the program, making it a faster method for launching your notes. This approach is particularly useful if you frequently open OneNote multiple times a day. It streamlines your process, letting you focus on taking notes, organizing ideas, or reviewing important content without extra clicks or navigation. Remember, the Run command can be used for many other programs as well, making it a versatile tool for improving your productivity on Windows. Once you get used to this method, you'll find that opening applications becomes faster and more efficient. And that's it. You now know how to open Microsoft OneNote instantly using the Run command, keeping your workflow smooth and saving precious time along the way. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.